The Q1 numbers for the Palmetto Trace real estate market are in. My name is Jacob Willenberg with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today I'm going to break down with you some trends that I am watching and what is kind of going on in the Palmetto Trace market. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here with you guys. So this first chart that we're looking at here is a months of inventory. This is a metric that I like to follow that kind of tells us a little bit about the health of the market. So when you're kind of looking at months of inventory, traditionally speaking, 4 to 5 months is considered a neutral market. Anything above that, you get into buyer's market territory, and anything below, you kind of get into a seller's market territory. So what that means that if no new homes came on the market, this is how long it would take to completely sell out of inventory. So if you're going back just a year, for a very long time in the detached single family market, we were around 2 to 3 months of inventory. Then you saw last fall that kind of began to spike up. Back in November, we were about 9.57 months. And then you saw in January that spiked to 12.32 months. Not unusual that you see a spike in January after the holiday season, people begin to list their homes. But that 12.32 was very alarming number to see, as a number we haven't seen since 2014 in the detached single family market. That did come back down to 5.65 months in February, so that was positive signs, although it has trickled back up to 6.55 months for detached single family. So we are in a buyer's market, but not an extreme buyer's market that we're seeing in the condo market. So when you look at the attached single family homes, you again saw that a very low, around 2 to 3, 1.91 months of inventory for a very long time. For the past several years is kind of where we were at there. In January, you saw that spike up to 12 months of inventory. It came back down in February to about 7.13 months. And then in March, we see that spike to 23 months. That is extremely high, very, very strong buyer market territory. So when we look at what sold in Q1 in Palmetto Trace, we did have a townhome, 1546 square feet, sell for $351,500. And then we did have one detached single family home, about 2,000 square feet, sell for $604,000. Currently, we have about 11 properties for sale in Palmetto Trace. You see a couple of the townhomes, 3 of those that are currently for sale. A couple reduced the price. And then you have several detached single family homes that are currently for sale. And some have been for sale for a little while. 316 Bainbridge. This is one of our listings. This one is actually currently under contract. But we do have more inventory coming on the market. So if you are looking to sell, it is very important that you have your pricing right, and also a marketing plan in place. That will be very crucial, especially as more inventory comes on the market. Traditionally, you see things pick up in the spring. We have not been seeing that as much compared to recent years. So these are numbers that I'll continue to follow, continue to keep you guys updated. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number is 850-867-3301. Thank you.